In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off data roaming on your Samsung phone. Data roaming allows your phone to connect to the internet using a different network when you're traveling outside your home country. However, it can lead to high data charges, so it's important to know how to turn it off. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung device, and then tap Connections. After that, tap Mobile Networks. Now you'll see the data roaming option, which is enabled. Using mobile data while roaming may result in additional charges. To turn off data roaming on your Samsung device, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.